Recharging aerosol spray cans at home is risky and often done incorrectly, but with the right steps you can reduce accidents and waste. When you recharge a can, start by checking the safety data sheet from the original product to confirm compatible propellant and pressure limits. Then use a calibrated pressure gauge to maintain the correct filling pressure rather than guessing by feel. Always work outdoors or in a very well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes and wear proper personal protective equipment, including chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and a respirator rated for organic vapors if the solvent is strong. Inspect the can body for dents, bulges, severe rust, or previous punctures, because compromised metal greatly raises rupture risk. If you see any of those, discard the can responsibly. Use a dedicated refill adapter designed for the specific valve type to avoid improper seals that cause leaks or accidental discharge, and make sure all connections are snug but do not force fittings that do not match. Refill slowly in short bursts while monitoring pressure so you can stop before exceeding the manufacturer's suggested pressure. A small drop in temperature during filling can mask true pressure, so allow the can to equilibrate. After filling, perform a low-pressure leak check by submerging the nozzle area in soapy water and looking for bubbles, and let the can rest upright for at least 20 minutes to allow any internal pressure stabilization before use. People overfill cans above the recommended pressure, which increases the chance of rupture and spray pattern problems, so always follow the maximum pressure from the original manufacturer and monitor with a gauge. Skipping personal protective equipment is common and leads to chemical exposure, so wear gloves, eye protection, and an appropriate respirator whenever handling solvents or propellants. Recharging rusted or dented cans happens when people try to save product, and that creates a catastrophic failure hazard, so do not recharge any can with visible structural damage and dispose of it at a hazardous waste facility. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find new work related to home maintenance and improvement. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips, troubleshooting advice, and user experiences so our members can learn from each other.